Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to turn a normal photo into a 3D Glam doll using ChatGPT. First, just open ChatGPT and then next just tap on menu, this one, and then go to images, scroll down and then on the style sections, just choose 3D Glam doll, this one, just tap on it and then next just choose your photo that you want to transform from your gallery, or you can also take a new photo using your phone camera. And in here I will just choose a photo from my gallery and then next just choose your photo, for example like this, and then next just tap on done and wait for the process. And okay, like this, your photo is now transformed into a beautiful 3D glam doll like this. It's so cool. And okay, it's so easy, right? If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.